I am Roberto Santibáñez, and you're watching A Taste of New York.
Today I take you into the kitchen to meet with Chef Roberto at Fonda restaurant. He showed us how to incorporate this Bragg's olive oil into a couple authentic Mexican dishes that you can make at home. But I had no idea that Bragg's makes the world's finest, organic, unrefined, cold-pressed olive oil. So excited.
We're gonna make a wonderful, beautiful sauce from the state of Veracruz, the Gulf part of Mexico. But they use a lot of olive oil, which is really delicious. We are making a very versatile sauce. So you can serve this sauce with chicken, you can serve this sauce with fish, with shrimp. There's a bunch of things you can do. Once you taste it and once you get like the mastering of it, you'll see, I mean, you can actually put it as a dip. You know, it's so good, so good. It all starts with half a cup of wonderful, pure, unfiltered olive oil and some sliced white onions. Once the onions are beautifully wilted and softened, we're gonna add garlic. We're gonna add a few bay leaves and a little bit of oregano. If you can get Mexican oregano, please do. It'll taste so much better. A minute later, after you added the garlic, we're gonna pour in the tomatoes, roasted, peeled, and crushed tomatoes. Of course, I am using fresh tomatoes, but you can also substitute them for a canned tomato. And then after probably 35-40 minutes of cooking, a little bit of white wine, the capers, beautiful olives, the poblano peppers, and only after they have boiled together for 10 minutes in the sauce, you're gonna taste it, and then you're gonna season with salt. All right, so next, you're gonna use a Pyrex or a glass or a clay casserole or whatever it is that you want. You're gonna lay your fish fillets on it, you're gonna cover them with the sauce, and you're gonna bake it. We're gonna put a generous tablespoon of Bragg's olive oil, organic, extra virgin, unfiltered, delicious olive oil. We're gonna lay our fish. We're gonna season with a little bit of salt on the top. I had added a little bit of salt on the bottom too. All right, so we're gonna turn our fish over really quickly. We'll add a beautiful, hefty tablespoon of this sauce. And we're going to bake this fish in the oven. There you go. So when we take the fish out, we can serve it, we can put it on a plate, put a little bit of rice, we'll sprinkle it with the parsley. And right out of the oven, you put a little bit of the sauce there. This is actually also in the recipe. Some pickled jalapenos right on top. Just because we are very intense, you put a little bit of chopped parsley, and that's dinner.
The secret to cooking delicious, authentic, incredible tasting cuisine is the ingredients that go into it. They have to be high quality. This Bragg's olive oil is organic, premium, first cold pressed. It comes in a green glass bottle. This is unrefined, unfiltered.
All right, so I'm gonna season my shrimp with a little bit of salt. We're gonna take and add a generous tablespoon of olive oil, in which we are going to quickly add some mushrooms. Gonna drizzle a little bit more oil. So we're gonna add a few of these guajillo strips. Let those toast together with a little bit of garlic, a pinch of salt. Then we're gonna add the shrimp. So since in this recipe the olive oil is one of the major components and one of the most important things, you need to make sure you choose a good olive oil, right? Extra virgin, unfiltered, pure, that's what you want. Like Bragg is an excellent choice for you. And a generous squeeze of lime. That's enough. These are done. Beautiful, beautiful dish. White rice, always good to be, you know, steam white rice. All right. Then this is just a little extra something just for some fun. We put a little bit of chopped chives around it, and we always do in Mexico. We always give you a little bit of extra lime, so you can squeeze it to your liking. Camarones al ajillo, and so many things. Bragg's olive oil, delicious. Taste of New York. Thank you for being with me.